Hi, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Jeff, and we're from JW Speaker. We're here today to spend a little bit of time talking to you about your new Trail 6 splash, how to install them and set them up.
So what comes in the Trail 6 box? You're going to get a set of lamps and 3 sets of lenses. For this setup, we're going to recommend using the wide flood lens because that's going to give you the greatest dispersion of light. To complete this install, you'll only need a few basic hand tools: a 5mm hex key, a T20 Torx, and a 13mm wrench.
The first thing you notice is unique red outer bezel. This signifies that this is no ordinary Trail 6 lamp. We've gone ahead and already pre-installed the wide flood outer lens to give the widest dispersion of light. The unique daisy chain harness comes with 4 wires. Black for your ground, red for your power, green is going to be your sensitivity select, and white is your brake override. The type of vehicle you have determines which sensitivity selection you might want to use. If you have a slower type vehicle, such as a tractor, you're going to want to use the highest sensitivity. If you have a faster vehicle, like our Razor 1000 here, you're going to want the lowest sensitivity to prevent false flashes. The Trail 6 Splash has a user-selectable 3 different sensitivity settings: low, medium, and high. To change between them, you'll need to ground the green wire before powering the unit up. We'll demonstrate that here on the bench. We connect the ground, we add green to ground, and then we apply power to the harness. What you'll notice is the units will start flashing. It is going to go through all 3 modes several times. When it's at the mode you want, simply disconnect the green wire and it will save the setting. 1 flash is for low. It will do that 5 times.
You want to leave it on low, Jeff, or are we going to crank it?
Let's take it to medium. So now you see it switched to 2 flashes. That means it's set to medium. So we'll go ahead and disconnect the wire, and now it's saved to medium setting. Once you're done setting your sensitivity, simply cap off the green wire and set it aside. The white wire is your brake override. Take that, splice it in with your brake wire for one of your 2 rear lights here, and that will override the deceleration signal and flash these in unison with your brake lights. Then we'll take the Trail 6 with the stainless steel bolt, put it through the bracket, and tighten it on with the stainless steel nut.
That wraps up our Trail 6 Splash install.
We'd like to pay a very special thank you to our friends at Don and Roy's in Burkeville, Wisconsin for lending us this great Razor 1000. If you like this video, make sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and all your other social media. Make sure to tag us in your photos. We'd love to see your great installations.